I'm Manimekalai from grade 12 from SSVM School of Excellence, and I'm here to share our beautiful journey in the school. And this school has not only taught about education but also more moral values. I crawl in the school as a caterpillar, but I'm ready to fly as a butterfly. And are you guys ready to watch a beautiful journey? Here you go.
Hi, I am from SSVM Excellence. My name is TM Abhishek. I am the captain of SSVM Excellence football team, and we can see many legendary players here. And here our Messi and our Neymar and our Maradona and our David Beckham. So we enjoy playing here throughout our PT sessions and our Sahodaya matches. And it was a very memorable experience for me to be part of Excellence sports team.
I'm Nivashni from grade 12 studying SSVM School of Excellence. I have been a badminton player, so I got a lot of opportunity in SSVM apart from studies to showcase my skills. This year, Sahodaya was a great opportunity for me to showcase my skills. I represent my school and won runner-up this year. And we also got so many counseling, so many how to build a resume, so many sessions to how to improve ourselves. Apart from studies, we also got so many advices from our mentors and who guided us in a great way to achieve great goals. Thank you.
I've been a student of excellence and SSVM institutions for 14 years now, and it has been a wonderful journey. The teachers, the school, the facilities, opportunities that ma'am and sir provide us are so helpful. They are the most encouraging and motivating people I've ever known in my life. Our teachers are our best motivators. They always hype us up, and every opportunity that knocks at the door, they make us grab it. They ensure that we shine. Our achievements, our accolades is what makes our teachers happy. That is how I've got into shooting, and ma'am and sir have never compromised on our education quality or the facility the school provides us. So it is their liberal school and their liberal way of making us grow and evolve as who we are right now is all credits to them. I would have never been in such a position that I am in now, going to nationals very soon without ma'am and sir and my favorite teachers. Our teachers are so good that they know where we go wrong. They come to us exactly at which step we go wrong. They are guides and mentors of our life. Without them, we would be nowhere. Excellence is like my second home. It provides me confidence. It's my safe space. And my teachers are whom I can trust and confide in whatever issues that I face throughout my life. So I would never forget the school. This would always be, I'll always reminisce about excellence. It'll be like a nostalgic experience. Leaving the school and going to a next step in the life is a great achievement and a feat that I've achieved. It's all because of SSVM, ma'am, sir, and my teachers.
Hey all, I'm Danya Ranganathan from SSVM School of Excellence. I'm happy and proud to be a part of the school because the journey I had in the past 2 years was amazing. The best memory I created in this school was during our Teachers' Day and Children's Day, because we were able to create a lot of fun with our friends and teachers. And I thank the management for providing us with the best education, knowledge, and guiding us through our journey. I would cherish this memory for a lifetime.
Namaste. I'm Tuhin, and I've been studying here for the past 5 years now, and it has been a wonderful experience. There have been a lot of ups and downs in my life, but the crucial thing is the unwavering support of my teachers, which helped me traverse these with ease. I would like to thank all my teachers for their support and gratitude for all they have done to me, for all their efforts and their hard work. Thank you.
Hi, Hi, I'm Vishnu Vijay of Grade 12. It had been a great journey in SSVM for about 6 years now. Every single day had been a day filled with opportunities and new skills to learn. I have assessed my strengths and weaknesses. The school has given all the opportunities for me to assess my skills and weaknesses. And I owe all my thanks to the staff and the management for providing the best medium for my growth and development. Thank you all.
Namaste. I'm Krishna Prakash of Grade 12. I've been studying at SSVM for past 12 years. It's been a really great experience. When I first joined, I still remember the date. I came as June 7, 2012, when I was in UKG. It was really a hostile environment for me. I was a very shy person, and I couldn't communicate with people more, but the faculties who were more friendly to me helped me to grow me as a character, and for past 12 years I've been changed a lot, and thanks to my teachers who have been supporting me in all occasions. And I'm a very good hockey player. I've been in South Zone, district levels. Academic teachers and the sports teachers who helped me to manage my situations and to grow me as a person. Thank you SSVM for supporting me for past years, and my memories won't recede away.
Namaste, I'm Harish S, and I have been studying in this school from grade 11. This school has given me quite a different experience. The washroom facilities provided at the school are hygienic and well maintained. The school gives students adequate time and attention to cater to their needs. I would like to thank SSVM for being a part of my 2-year high school journey.
Namaste. I'm Lakshita of grade 12. I've studied in excellence for the last 5 years of my life, and SSVM has provided all the best environment they could for me to have a better environment and shape myself in all the right ways. I've enjoyed my time here all this time, and I would love to be here for a few more years, but this has come to an end. And while I have to say goodbye, I would really miss the school, and I love all the memories I've made here. I will cherish it forever. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Rudra of class 12, studying in SSVM for the past 2 years. SSVM has given me great opportunity to enhance my knowledge by providing a library which has a lot of variety of books, and during my free time I get to read a lot of books and enhance my knowledge. And also I think it has given me great opportunity to read and explore more books, and it has also helped me to my boards and increase my knowledge towards exams, studies, etc. And it has been a really big stress buster for me during school times. I spend most of my time in the library reading. Thank you.
A thing of beauty is a joy forever. We as a colorful butterflies are ready to take up the best opportunity. We would be proud alumni of SSVM School of Excellence, and we make sure to be the better citizen. Thank you SSVM for making us who we are. Jai Hind.